I got me some baby mangoes from JP to go. That size. So cute. Is there something you want to say?
I don't know.
Say today we are going to eat baby mango and Nam Plan One. Nam Plan One. Nam Plan One.
Today we're gonna eat baby mango and mango sauce?
Yeah.
Can I eat now?
Yeah.
How about you put your sauce right there?
Yeah.
And this is my sauce.
Yeah. Eat in here. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Mmm.
Actually, I want this type one.
Mm-hmm. That's good.